When I began Ecomp 455, I had a basic understanding of technology and how it can be utilized in the classroom. Now, with the help of Alec, Katia, and my classmates, I've expanded my knowledge and learned new methods to use technology both as an educator and as a learner. Collaboration is a huge part of being an educator, and with tools like Twitter, Google+, and WordPress, it is easier than ever to connect with people from around the world. I experienced this firsthand through Sask EdChat and our Google+ class community. Through this collaboration, I've been able to expand my personal learning network, share resources, and meet other educators. The numerous new forms of technology introduced in this class allow me to see how technology can be valuable for teachers and students and where it can be integrated into the classroom. Along with these countless forms of technology come a responsibility. We have a responsibility to be good digital citizens and to teach our students to be the same. Throughout this class, I have created a positive digital identity by means of Twitter, WordPress, About Me, Google+, and my ePortfolio that show who I am as a professional as well as a role model. Thank you everyone for making this class so beneficial. I look forward to beginning my career and using what I have learned in my classroom.